Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to log into Bright from different devices. You want to access your Bright account on multiple devices? Here's how to log in securely from anywhere. Start by opening the Bright app on your new device, or you can just go to the Bright's website using your browser. Tap Login on the welcome screen. Now enter the email address and password associated with your Bright account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you're going to receive a verification code via SMS or your authenticator app. Enter that code to continue. Bright may also send a security alert to your primary device or email just to confirm it's really you logging in. Once verified, you'll be successfully logged in and can access your account just like you would on your primary device. You can repeat this process on other devices like tablets or a work phone. But remember to log out from devices that you no longer use to keep your account secure. Also, Bright allows you to manage active sessions on the settings, security, where you can view or sign out from any device remotely. Now you're set to manage your money on the go from any device. If this helped you stay connected, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright mobile finance tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.